Hi Dad! Happy birthday! Now that you're finally 18, new opportunities are coming to you. And I do hope na imong i-cherish ang day nga nakakaroon and ayot magpadayon ka sa pagkabuutan, magpadayon ka sa pagkabirit with more to. Happy birthday, balik Dad! Bye-bye!
Bye-bye! Fantasy dream is gone. Once you believe you're ready to shine, the princess inside you will shine. You are the glow. You are the glow.
Tapos, tani first, ayaw pag may laglaw.
Wake up and take it nobody see. You're just my peace of
Welcome to
mind.
Legality. So,
World invention, pretend your majesty. Your hate discovery.
naman ko yung or if naman ko yung
Princess that you're meant to be.
Latag the door,
The story begins with the light in your heart. A fantasy dream is gone. Once you believe you're ready to shine,
or get the
bright as the world set alone.
more
You
pretty.
are the glow.
Marto, happy birthday again. Happy 18th birthday. So, nako si St. Joseph. Kung asa nagbigin ang tanan. Marto, thank you. Bye-bye!
Hi, Dad. Happy birthday. Welcome to Legality, Day. I love you so much. Thank you for everything. Thank you kay na friendly ka. Thank you kay na part ka sa akong life. I love you. Mwah.